So hello all, today in this video we'll see that how to run Supabase locally. For that you can go through this article. We will keep our video short and direct to the point, so you need Docker for it, and you can check the Docker version. I have installed it. You can install it from here. If you have MacBook, it's very easy. Just download this. You will get some commands, just run it. You have to either go here or press command plus space, control space, and type terminal, and let's see the Docker version. I have installed Docker version 28.0.4. Let's clear it, and through npm we can install the Supabase CLI. I already have installed. Let's reinstall it. You can also add at latest here to get the latest version. Okay, your platform native DOM whatever already exists, so let's just ignore it, or we can try burn also. You can search about burn. Let's check Supabase version. It's available 2.0. You can update to the latest version. Let's update latest version. And then it's very simple. You have just to create a directory where all your files will be installed, and the git repo will be cloned using mkdir command, and you have to initialize it. In any project, it will create a supabase/config.ml, and the configurations will be here. And when we do Supabase start, it will pull the Docker image, start local Postgres. You can get the auth, storage, and real time and studio, all the features here, and you'll get this URLs. Let's see. Let's go to desktop. Okay, here let's say mkdir test $1 billion app D app. Okay, let's see, go here, and let's say we will create next SaaS project here. npx create next app or npx cloudflare. After that you have to do Supabase init to initialize a project here. VS Code setting for Dino, IntelliJ, no. Let's debug things together. Let's update using CLI. Okay, file exists. It already had created it. You can see ls Supabase. We can also run the tree command. See, config.ml is already here. Let's rewrite using force command. Let's go. Let's clear it. You can also restart the terminal. Still saying leave it. Now we have to do Supabase start. Filter cannot. You have to search for Docker. I have installed it. Let's pause the video and download it. Docker CLI is installed, but Docker is not here. Download Docker desktop, Apple Silicon. How to pause the video? It's downloaded now. Let's open it. Here we go with this. Yeah, just have to drag and drop. We're learning so many things, that how to update, that how to install any app. It's a 2.56 GB thing, and it's take a lot of RAM. After this video I'm gonna install it. I prefer VPS. You can also deploy these things on VPS to access it from anywhere. I prefer Cloudflare tunneling also. You can search about that. This is installed now. Now close it. Search for, yeah, you don't need to search. Docker is here. And after opening Docker, you will see an icon here, verifying Docker app. Yes, it's installed now. It's being opened. Yeah, you can also search Supabase from here. See, the video is lagging. Starting Docker engine. You can also pull the image from here. So if you want to learn Docker, search for it on YouTube and you'll get to know this. See, all the containers will be listed here. Let's run this thing again. Supabase starting database. You have to allow it. And see, I have the GitHub MCP. I also have created a GitHub MCP that runs on npx, not on Docker, because Docker is so RAM heavy thing. So you can check out on that on my GitHub. Name is GitHub MCP plus. And search GitHub assistant. It's not here. It will be in things. See, it's Docker. It lacks too much. Here, open source. GitHub MCP plus. So here you can add this MCP and use GitHub MCP using npx. It has 70 approx tools, 100 tools. Yeah, so you can use this. npm package also there. Let's go. It's taking too much time. Let's pause the video. See, it's installed now. I have deleting all the node models and .next files. You can also do it if you wanna get some space. This is API URL and GraphQL, DB URL, Postgres database, and your studio, just like the Supabase UI fields. It's like that. NN key, service role key, S3 access key, S3 secret key, everything is here. So let's go. You can also use this trick that I have used to clear your storage space. It was slow. Now you will be able to access all the Supabase things from here. So that was the video, and this is how you can host the Supabase things in your local PC. It is slow in my PC, but if you get something good, and you can also host and purchase some VPS from Supabase remotely. It has so many benefits. So thanks for the video. Yes, yeah, that's Supabase has. So some features are not here.